How to change resolution in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you're playing Diablo Immortal and want to change the game's resolution, adjusting the resolution can help you find a better balance between visual quality and performance. First of all, open up the Diablo Immortal game on your Android or iOS, and once you're inside this lobby screen or the home page, go to the menu icon at the top right corner. From the expanded pop-up, select the Settings icon. Under the Settings menu, look for Graphics on the left. Once you're inside the Graphics tab, scroll down and get to the Resolution under Image Accuracy. You can choose between the resolution by selecting Medium, High, or Ultra. Choose the resolution level you want. If you want better resolution or visual, go to Ultra or High. But make sure that the device supports the Ultra features. If it does not, then you can opt for High. If you have a low-performing device, then you can also choose the medium option so that you can get balanced resolution. For a low-performing device, make sure that the image sharpening is turned off. If you have a better device which supports high resolutions, then you can also turn on the image sharpening option. But remember that image sharpening will cause your phone or device to overheat, shorten its battery life, and reduce FPS. Choose whether you are sure if you want to enable it by tapping OK, and that's how you can easily change the resolution in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.